Mastering modals. Denying permission with negative forms. Hello, language learners. Today we're delving deeper into our English language journey with a focus on modal verbs. We'll be exploring the topic of denying permission with negative forms. This is an important part of our everyday communication, so let's unravel the intricacies together. Modal verbs are a unique type of verbs that we use to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. Today's focus is on using modal verbs to deny permission. Specifically, we'll be looking at the negative forms: can't, may not, and must not. The simplest way to deny permission in English is by using can't. This form is more informal and often used in everyday speech. Example: you can't go to the party tonight. It's too late. Note: can't is a contraction of cannot. Both can be used interchangeably. May not is a slightly more formal way to deny permission. It's often used in more formal or official settings. Example: you may not use the laboratory equipment without supervision. The strongest form to deny permission is must not. It's used when there are serious consequences or risks involved. Example: you must not enter the construction site. It's dangerous. When we want to ask for permission, we can turn these expressions into questions by switching the order of the subject and the modal verb. Examples: can I use your computer? May I leave the meeting early? Must I finish all the exercises? And that's a wrap on denying permission using modal verbs and their negative forms. I hope this session has helped you grasp the concept better. Remember, practice is key. Try using these forms in your daily conversation and observe how others use them too. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing and happy learning.